What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. And today we're reviewing the NikeLab NSW wool joggers made in Italy. Now these joggers retail at $400. Over the course of this video, we're gonna figure out, is it worth it or not? I made this channel to help you guys decide if some of these high priced items are worth it or not. Now I have a lot of NikeLab and a lot of Nike Tech that I'm gonna be doing reviews on. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go check out my other reviews. Without further ado, let's get into this review. These are really nice dark gray cashmere. This piece is part of NikeLab's NSW made in Italy. This is a little bit of an older piece. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds for sizing reference. I'm a true XLT, so I normally wear XL to XXL because XLT is just very hard to find in most pieces. For sizing on the NikeLab cashmere wool joggers, I went with the XL. Personally, I wish I would have got a XXL. I would recommend going up a size in these. These joggers give off a tailored fit. I really like the fit on these. It gives me like a designer feel. These fit me perfect when they're brand new, but when I wash them, they shrink a little bit. However, I am still able to wear them. I wash all my pieces on delicate and then I let them hang dry. I think these joggers are a really premium product. This is a full cashmere jogger. These do have a very high retail price. I believe it was around $400. Cashmere is just a super expensive material. I really like the uniqueness of this piece. This is not really a piece that you see. I personally have never seen another pair of these. I think if you can get your hands on this product, that is very much worth it. I think that this is a great piece to add to your collection. These pants are super thick, but very lightweight. These are a very warm set of joggers. Definitely a winter piece. This piece doesn't really have much branding. It does feature a little Italian flag on the back. The cuff around the ankles is super nice and a very tight fit. These do feature 2 standard side pockets. There's also a zip pocket on the back. Not something I personally would use, but I do know people use them. I think around $400, these are definitely worth it. I think if you're able to find this piece, that is very much worth it to add to your collection. I would recommend sizing up. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My goal is to bring you guys pieces that you haven't really seen or you don't know much on, to help you guys decide if these pieces are worth it or not. I really struggled finding information on pieces like this. I hope I helped and made it easier for you guys to decide if you want to purchase or not. I started this channel just to help bring awareness so you guys can see other Nike products. I'll be dropping a lot of videos on NikeLab and Nike Tech products, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Check out my other videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of content like this. As always, I will drop the product number in the description.